thanks for watching, and I hope you're well wherever you are in the world right now. I'm just dropping in real quick to give you my first impressions on the GoPro Hero 9 Black. I've been using it for a couple of days now, and I'm starting to build up a few ideas about this thing. Firstly, to start off, let's just acknowledge this right from the outset. I think the GoPro is an inherently amazing device. There are some incredible technological features inside this thing that opens up a huge world of artistic expression. And each time a new version comes out, it gets better than the last. And that's what we expect, that's what we get. So I'm coming from the standpoint that I believe this is a brilliant thing. I believe it's amazing. You can tell I'm into it because I'm trying to impress on you how much I think this thing is amazing. Because what I'm about to say now might give you the impression otherwise, but I don't think it really dilutes the core feeling I have for this thing here. And look, just to highlight and illustrate the point, I'm going to rattle off what I really like about this thing. The front screen is a game changer as far as GoPro is concerned. It was already the best, but this just takes it to the next level. It's kind of what you're always expected to see and we're always expecting to see, but now it's finally here. It's actually better than you can imagine. It just makes everything so much easier from that point of view. One thing though, I find is I'm looking at the screen when I should be looking at the lens. That is a bit of a trick for new players. So I'm not sure, maybe in time I will learn how the composition goes with this GoPro here, and maybe I won't use it as much, but for now, it's awesome. I love the Hyper Smooth version 3. To me, it's kind of the same as Hyper Smooth version 1. I didn't see number 2. The horizon leveling is cool too, because that killed me, man. I used to hate the horizon always being off kilter, so I think this is a real cool feature of the new GoPro 9. The scheduled shot, I'm amped for that. I can't wait to get some great sunrise time lapses while I'm asleep in bed. I mean, come on. And with those things down, I reckon it gives you a good sense of what's great about this thing. There's so much else and there'll be other things that appeal to you. I'm just rattling off quick thoughts here. The next thing we're going to go to is what's been disappointing for me with this. The thing won't turn on. I push the button for several seconds at a time, it just doesn't turn on, and then sometimes it will turn on, sometimes it doesn't. I hit the quick capture button on the top and sometimes that turns on, sometimes it doesn't. You know, I just can't seem to get that tactile feeling or understand where I am in the push or what's going on. I don't know if it's just me or if it's these things themselves. Do you have the problem? It won't turn on. Also, I find the touchscreen is quite finicky. It seems to be the way for me. It was with the Hero 7 Black for me, and it is with this one too. Sometimes you touch the screen and nothing happens. You wind up touching it several times and you're just stuck on a spot. And usually you're under some pressure, you want to get a shot, you want to get into slow-mo real quick to capture, I don't know, whatever you want to capture. But you just can't get there because the touchscreen isn't responsive enough. And sometimes it's a soft touch, sometimes it's a hard press. Like seriously, how often nothing happens on this thing for me? Does it happen for you? I'd love to know. Hey, look, and I seem to be experiencing the same glitches as I did with the Hero 7 Black. If I unplug the charger, the thing just freezes. It just freezes, nothing can happen. All you can do is open the battery door and pull the battery. And come on, I'm sure that's not how it's designed to be. It might be as utilitarian as that. You can just pull the battery and then bang, you're good, like a hand grenade. But come on, it's not supposed to be like that, surely. And also, I've experienced a phantom battery drop already. Last night the thing was on 91%. When I turned it on this morning, it was on 61%. Voice controls turned off. What's the story? 91 to 61. Next time I turned it on, it was on 63, and then after that, it went down to about 44 throughout the day. I used it a couple of times. Could it be temperature variations, or could there be some other external factors that are influencing that? Am I unfairly putting that on the GoPro itself? Well, all in all, that's it. That's my first impressions. I think the thing is just amazing, like I said at the start, but I am a little bit disappointed to see that some of the glitches or the problems I've experienced in previous models are still there. Maybe it's the GoPro way. You know, my hip clicks every now and again, so my GoPro glitches. Who knows, maybe it's... Is that a good example? Well, I don't know. Hey, anyway, it's something different. Click subscribe if you want to. We're coming out of Wellington. Otherwise, I'll catch you on the next one. Stay safe out there and look after yourself. I hope you have a real good day. See ya.